In this video, I'm going to show you how you can build and launch your personal brand website or company website in just one weekend. Hey, my name is Kunal Naik, AI data, tech, and business strategist. And today I'll walk you through using Lovable to design, GitHub to store, Supabase as your database, and Cloudbean to host and deploy your website, all fast, simple, and scalable. So let's dive in. The way we are going to do this is going to be like this, guys. So first thing, you're going to extract your profile from LinkedIn. It's the easiest way to extract any details that are there, and you don't have to put a lot of details. Hopefully you have also built the right profile on LinkedIn. Then what you're going to do is you're going to go and take this profile and dump it in Cloud, and you're going to prompt it to write a lovable prompt to create a website. Okay. And Lovable has 5 credits, so we need to ensure that we have the right prompts. Then second, we're going to build the website using Lovable. So hopefully we're just going to give in the entire prompt, and within 1 or 2 prompts it should be done. And we have 5 credits, so we should be able to do it in 5 credits for free. And then next, what we can do is we can save the data. We can save the data on GitHub, and the code and the data on GitHub or Supabase. And then what we're going to do is from this place onwards, we're going to move the host the website on Cloudbean so that you can share it with the world. So this is the entire plan. So let's just dive in and execute this. Okay, so what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to go here. I'm going to go to LinkedIn here first. Okay, so this is where we'll start off. I'm just going to go here and say view profiles. And there should be a option from in the resources section where you can say save to PDF. Okay, so let's go save to PDF. And so what this does is it downloads your profile. Okay, so this is our profile. So it gets all the profile details that are available. And then I just want to build a personal brand website based on this one. So what I'll do is the extraction is done pretty much quickly. Hopefully you have written a good, LinkedIn profile. If not, first write that and then come back to this step. Also, I can show other methods also, but this is the quickest way. So I'm just going to go into a new chat, and first I'm going to upload a file. Okay, so I'm going to upload this profile that I gave. Okay, and I'm just going to type a prompt here, right? So providing my profile, LinkedIn profile. We're just going to say LinkedIn profile. LinkedIn profile. My name is Kunal Naik. My title is going to be AI, data, tech, and business strategist. Okay. So and then we can say write a lovable prompt to create a website based on my personality, using the profile, and also colors based on my profile. I like black background with hints of yellow, blue, which match it and give a premium feel. Okay, so whatever it is, you just give all the details that you want to give it. Essentially, if you don't even give so many details, that's more than enough, right? So you just give all the details. So it's going to read the PDF, it's going to read your profile, and then it's going to create this artifact here where it is going to create a prompt here, right? So create a sophisticated, so you see that preview website designed for Kunal Naik, AI strategies, brand vision, all of the details it's going to give you here. Okay, so give it a few seconds. Once it's done, that is good. What we're going to do is we're going to copy this one, and we're going to copy this one. This is the whole detail that we're going to go. I'm going to go into Lovable, and this is the place where we dump the entire prompt here. Okay, and as you can see here, ensure that you are basically adding the organization here. Supabase. If you don't already have it, if you created a Lovable account, you can sign up with a Gmail. But if you can go to the settings section and just ensure that your Supabase is linked and your GitHub is also linked. That's what we're going to be hosting it for. We're going to host the website there. So that's the two things that you need connected. If you don't have a GitHub account, again, sign up for a GitHub account so that you can store your code there or do the version control on top of it. Anyway, so now that's the prompt. So we will get this prompt from here and we're just going to paste it here and let's see. And we're going to say enter. So what this is going to do right now, it's going to work in the background and it's going to create a website based on the design that I gave it. It takes a couple of seconds, so you can just wait for it. And once it's done, then you can make any changes and then we'll finally go into deploying it. Okay, so it's doing something. It did a lot of work and definitely it's going to do something like that. So if you see, it is going to ask you need same information, add user accounts or connect with others. So super simple way, right? So you can just say connect Supabase and then you can connect a project. I'm just going to select the whichever project that we have there, right? So that's connected. Usually you should have a separate project, but I've just selected the free version one here. So this is the one that got selected. Okay, anyway, so that got selected and looks like this is the place where it is having the website. So if you see here, Kunal Nayak, my LinkedIn profile, services, success stories, right? So if I click on about, okay, it has built something. But yeah, definitely this is not adding my photo here. AI agent development, career acceleration, corporate training. Okay, it has given, it has given a lot of details. Okay, some feedback and all that. Okay, well, it's looking good, fully professional, services, success stories, and speaking. Okay, well, it did a good job at the first draft. And yeah, I didn't get my email and all address right. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm just going to attach my uh, picture here, right? So I'm just going to go to maybe pictures, DP, and we'll just pick one of these. Okay, so let's pick this. Use this as my image. Also, my email is email ID is me@kunalnayak.com. Okay, so that's the website that I'll be hosting my website on. So I'm just going to click on that one. And okay, it has a YouTube channel. I don't know if there is a link. Okay, there is not. So I'm just going to go to youtube.com and I'm going to give YouTube link is this one. Join my community. So I'm just going to go to Data Science Masterminds. I'm just going to do this. I'm going to say join my community is this link. Okay, and then LinkedIn. Okay, doesn't have my LinkedIn profile, so I'm just going to give my LinkedIn profile also. My LinkedIn profile link. Just you can do it in random order. There's a book a consultation here. That I don't need to have it right now, but any other details you need to fill in, you just do all of this. Okay, yeah, and so that's all. Let's see if it makes those changes. So it's going to think. This is one manual for professionals. Okay, let's see if it is updating this image or not. Definitely this is not me. Okay, so this is good and this is finally updating it. Okay, it did just change the email ID. Yes, join community. Okay, so what we can do is we can simply just say the links are not updated here. Okay, so it's going to change all of that, and then so if, it's all going to be available, and then this website is ready for deployment. Okay, now I am not confident about the image yet. Okay, also I provided my image. Please replace with the dummy image. Okay, the link should be updated now. Let's see. Let's refresh this one a little bit. Okay, let's do that. Let's see. Schedule will not be there. Yeah, this is working. Okay, so the links are now working. Okay, now image. Now this link is not working. The subscribe is not working for some reason. We refuse to connect it, say. Okay, I don't know what's happening there. Let's see if this is opening. Yeah, this is opening. Yeah. So all the links are working. Email is right. And let's just finally give it the detail about my image. So hopefully this image should change. Okay, so let's see. Okay, fail to import of it. Some error rate showing. Trying to fix it. Okay, fair enough. Yeah, there it goes. Image is updated. And it looks good. So yeah, so that's all. This is how we are able to create the website. It's a good start, and you can definitely iterate over it. You have 5 credits every day, so you can start doing it. Now, what you're going to do right now is you're going to publish this project. Okay, so you're going to publish this project, and I will say publish, and then once you publish this, we are going to basically make it as a GitHub, right? So if you're in the free version, this is going to be publicly available. So that's fine. I can just simply copy this link and then open up this link and then paste it here. The only challenge is now this is directly hosted with Lovable. So I just want to host this somewhere else. Okay. So first what we're going to do right now is we're going to take this website and we're going to publish it to or save it in GitHub, right? So I'm just going to say connect to GitHub, connect project, and yeah, I'll select that. Continue, connect, transfer, and it is going to create a new name and hopefully just get the repo here. Okay, let's see again. Yeah, so that's the thing that's available there. Let's look at the repositories. Okay, let me go there. Yeah, so this is the repository that we have created, Kunal AI Navigator. So this entire website got developed and now we are ready to deploy this on Cloudbean. So that is the next step. Now, once this website is ready, the cool part is then you can go to Cloudbean and you can click on add a server, the easiest way. And here what you're going to do is you can select a line node. You can select a 2 GB, 1 GB depending on your budget. I recommend 2 GB at least if you have good number of visitors. But if you have more number of visitors, but 1 GB is also fine to good start off with. You can always upgrade it as much as you want. And then I want to go to Lovable site. So that's the one, and choose your location, give application a name, and then launch the server. So once the server is launched, it takes a couple of minutes to launch it. I've already launched it. So this server will be available here. Okay. So what you need to do right now is you just need to click on, this websites section here. Say add an application. Since I've already have it, I just wanted to show you how this application will get added here. You select that, and then you say give it a name, right? So KN, um, personal brand website, personal brand. Yeah, just say personal brand. Okay, and then whatever it is, give the company name. Okay, so you're going to add that application, and it's just going to take a couple of seconds to just load this application. Once this application is loaded, then we have to take this GitHub repository, go to Cloudbean, and then deploy it. Okay, so I'm just going to click on this one. So once the website is ready, what you're going to do is you're going to click on this, and so this is going to be a link. Right now, if you just open up this link, it's not going to show anything here. Okay, so what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to say deploy code, and this is the code that we will be using, right? So we're just going to copy this one here, go back here, enable integration. So I'm just going to click this, and I'm going to get this branch. Okay, I'm just going to switch off this one. Okay, so it's going to come there. Okay, branch failed. Oh, so that GitHub repository should be public. Okay, so I'm just going to go here, settings, and I'm just going to change visibility to public. Okay, and this is done. Confirm. Done. Now if I try it again, let's do that. I did fetch it. You select the main, say clone, and so now what it's going to do is it's going to get the code base here and then deploy the application here. Just give it a few seconds, and you can just say pull and deploy. So it'll say, okay, it'll say repo URL. This is the one, git branch triggered manually in progress. If you just refresh it, just give it a couple of seconds. Okay, and so once you refresh the status, if it says completed, it should be done, and you can just enable the CI/CD deployment trigger. So what will happen is anytime you make a change in this repository that is in Lovable here, right? Anytime you make a change here. Okay, what's happening here? Not that. This is blank amazing project. Don't know what that means. But anyway, so now what we can do is I'm just going to go back here, access. And now if I click on this, it should be able to load this website. Yeah, sometimes you might come across some of these errors. So I don't know what that is. Okay, fine. Let's do that. Try to fix. Yeah, there it goes. So I'll just say publish if they ensure that there are no errors. Okay, publish anyways. Okay, there's some security errors. Okay, let's do that again. Try to fix. Approve. Okay, so it's approving that. Okay, let me say approve. If there are errors, there will be some issues definitely, but let's see that. Okay, so it fixed some of the issues. Good. And now we're ready to publish it. So publish. You'll not face this issue because I was having some extra tables, and so there. Okay, so it got fixed. I should say update, and then okay, so that should look good. Now what I'll do is I'll go back here and deploy code and just get this one again. Ideally it should be automatically doing it. Okay, so let's refresh the status, pull and deploy. Yeah, there we go. Ideally if you leave it like that, it's automatically going to do it, but let's see. Okay, so this is our website, and looks like Something got updated. Okay, so it looks good. Let's go here and see that status.